Alright, hello. It's been a while since my last video with the sea nymph. Going on, the better part of a year. And I finally am getting a chance to finish it. Do it right. So before I got it running, I used it for a season, more or less, until a squirrel chewed through the water lines. And yeah, it kind of sidelined me for the season. So now I went off the deep end here and I ripped out all the insides. So I am doing with it exactly what I wanted to do originally with this boat. So the idea is new floor, fresh wiring, fresh fuel lines for the tank, whole new look, get the gunnel caps on, and maybe I'll be fishing by September. It's August 8th today. I've been at this for going on a couple of weeks now of just steady working on it on evenings and in different times that I can. And I've made good headway here with the demo of the inside, which has been a huge pain. I've got the floorboards already built, more or less. One of them needs a little bit of a trim to bring it in line with where it ought to be. But here are my floorboards. They have a coat of epoxy on each side. They are going to need one more on each side as well as one on each edge. And I gotta get this crack right here filled in. Yeah, work in progress. Here's the gas tank, the live wells, all the old gas that was in it. The holder of the gas tank, that's gonna get this papery stuff ripped out and replaced with rubber. There are the old hoses. Yeah, everything's getting brought up to snuff with a modern boat, more or less. A little less. At least it's getting new hoses and everything like that, so I don't have to rip up the floor for anything, hopefully, unless I do something wrong, which is possible. The new axle still isn't on. Needs doing. But I figure if the boat can spend a day on the water, then I can spend a day on the trailer. So I'm gonna keep at it. At the moment, I'm removing old carpet glue, which is not a fun activity. I have a grinder and a polycarbide wheel that seems to take off the stuff pretty good. I've picked up a pneumatic rivet gun to help me with putting things back together, so I don't have to do everything with a hand rivet gun. So I'll try to bring the camera along for the journey through some of this.